Hello everyone, Kelthara here. No clue if I'm in the right frame or that, but anyways, I'm at Fenner Nature Center again, currently by the road, but yeah, gonna go down some trails. Yeah. Oh, and if you see black, in the video, I got some new ISIS swings. At least that's what all the, things on Amazon that called them. But, I just got the poles from a few days ago. Today's March 12th, a Friday. Anyways, yeah. It's been a while since I've done a Fenner Nature Center video. So, yeah. No clue what I'm gonna talk about or if I'll talk about much. It's pretty windy out. Oh, okay, that's new as well. I've already been on a couple of the trails. It rained, not yesterday, but yesterday night. Anyways, wait. Yeah, this one's new. Because the other one's up there further. Right there. Oh, these are pretty good for pointing. Normally would have taken the trail right through there. There's a new trail over here. Huh. Happened this winter. I didn't make any videos out here this winter because I didn't really have the right clothing to be out in the snow and that for a very long time. So, yeah. See, the path comes out right there. So, some of these paths are kind of squishy. So, wait up with this here path again. Oh, any pretty rocks? Can't really tell. Nope. Okay. Moving on. Squeaky trees. There's a duck down in there. I'll make that too. Let's see. Okay. Let's see if we can zoom in to get them good. Right. My finger's nowhere. Right over there. You probably saw it move before I pointed. Can't exactly get over there to get a better shot. Not what I was trying to do. Oh well. Let's put that back into there. Tapped autofocus. Good. Okay. Get these. And moving on. Oh! Bird flew right past me. Saw its shadow. Don't know if I caught it on video. Can't remember whether this is new or not. Okay. I saw something move over there on the ground. Probably just a squirrel. Switching hands. There we go. Really green over there compared to other areas. Probably because of the fallen pine needles. I'm gonna get some snags here. Probably. Oh, there it goes. That landed behind me? I'm not sure what it was. Oh well. Looks like that there tree right there is leaning on that tree. That's not exactly good. Oh. Must have snagged on that without realizing it. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, so I'm gonna go down this path a little just to see inside the roots there, but was currently last I was here, someone camped with a telescope recorder, so it looks like they moved on. I still want to go the other way. I don't know. I'm indecisive. And sleepy. Oh wait, no, it was at 5 trails. Wait, but ain't this 5 trails? Yeah, this is 5 trails. This is where he was located with his tripod. Yep, you can see the marks there, okay, there, and there. And he was looking at something up there. I don't see anything. At least nothing that would... Wait. Those ain't moving like leaves. But I came down from this here way. Oh. Maybe he was looking at that, because that's got a lot of red berries on it. The red berries are down here as well. Huh. Yeah, no, those are bundles of leaves. Up there. In that tree. Whatevs, I guess. I hear the geese. I am kind of paying more attention to where my feet are located compared to where the video's playing. But that's just because some of the paths are kind of damp and I'd rather not slip and fall. So, like, if any human ends up in my video, which is going to be posted to YouTube. I do apologize, but I do not have the equipment nor access to stable, consistent internet to like blur out people's faces or bleep out their voices or that. So if you're someone who ends up in the video and you didn't want to be, again, I'm sorry for that, but I'm not gonna apologize every single video. And yeah, like, besides, my channel's not very popular right now, so I doubt that even if you end up in my videos, which I try not to get any humans in my videos, I'd rather point my camera at the ground than get a human in my video, but if you do, sorry. Okay. Oh, and this will probably be the last video that I actually apologize for catching any humans in my video on, because, yeah, I'm kind of tired of saying that. Okay, I can drop these now that we're over here. Yikes. That is gunky. Oh my gosh. Do not go off the thing, please. I want to get a good little zoom in on you. You can't really tell in the video that well. I'm kind of tapping on it to try to get it to focus on the turtle better. But that is a painted turtle. So obviously the turtles are out. And sunning. Because it is a nice... Oh, wait. This one over there I didn't notice until just now. Right. Trying to get my... Okay. Let's see. That right there at the tip of my nail. Let's see if I can get both in. Kind of. If I zoom out a tad bit. Yeah. Oops. Too much. There we go. Yeah. The other one has been on the log for a while. It's fully dry. Whereas the other's still a little damp. There's also koi over there. Like, right at the tip, that orange thing. Right. Struggling to get my finger in there again. Right there at the tip. Bright orange. I wonder if I could get them closer. Or if there are any closer. It's more shaded over here. Oh, whoops. I was still zoomed in. I didn't mean to do that to y'all. But anyways, yeah. Let's see if I can get them over here. Nope. There's bread over in there that ain't been touched. At least not much. There's a few holes in it. Geese are over there somewhere. I'm pretty sure I know where. So, let's go see if we can spot them. Bye-bye, turtles and koi. See you later. Sorry, y'all, but I'm guessing this is about to get pretty noisy. Fingers crossed there's no humans at the geese as well. Because I'm guessing they're at that secret lookout thingy. And yes, that was the tree doing that. Oh, whoops. God, I need to pick these back up while I'm doing this and walking. Don't want the bottom hem to get damaged much. The thing is, this is the first time I've had them out here. And now they're coming from the other area. Guess they moved. But yeah. If I was talking about something, I don't remember. Oh. There's one. I think it's calling for the others. Maybe. Anyways. Oh yeah, and that path's kind of blocked off. I mean, if I didn't mind the hem of this too much, I could get over it easily. Oh, there's two right in there. Zoom in. Yep. Guessing there's a nest in there.